Imanta Resorts, Punta Mita. This is a luxurious eco-hotel where lucky guests will enjoy unmatched sophistication on the secluded private forest reserve on the Pacific. Located just north of the prestigious Punta Mita, Imanta Resorts has raised the bar on what ecotourism means. An ideal place for discerning travelers who take refuge in comfort and serenity while respecting nature in all her glory. Imanta Resorts offers an experience with impeccable service, fine dining, elegant suites, and an impressive architecture that pays tribute to the majestic beauty of the Riviera Nayarit. The level of comfort and style provided is only eclipsed by the high level of service with an eye to detail. All casitas and villas have great privacy, a wide range of options from $950 per night for the Jungle Suite to $6,300 for the 3-bedroom Casona Jaguar. Imanta Resorts Punta Mita holds a privileged location in Mexico's premier destination for sophisticated travelers, just 27 miles from Puerto Vallarta International Airport, but upon arriving to their 250-acre ecological jungle preserve, visitors will find a serene natural playground all their own. This video is brought to you by Mexico's finest boutique hotels.